Hey students, this is Mr. Smothers. Decided to make a real quick video to clarify something. First of all, I'm having uh, a lot of confusion about certain assignments from last week, and we only have two grades. We'll have two grades from last week and two grades from this week. Actually, three grades this week. So we'll have five daily grades, and then we'll have a test on Thursday. So I wanted to go back to last week very quickly. Some of you thought you did everything, but you didn't. So this is on level and advanced classes. So these two assignments here are for a grade in the grade book, and I've already put them in the grade book so you can kind of look at that. The first one is the notes. It's cell structure and function. You need to fill that out. What does it look like? It looks like this right here. And you just put what the function is of each organelle. Okay, that's one grade. Okay, where is it located again? It's week 20, last week. It'll be this assignment right here. The next assignment is also about and it's right here. It says label. It says cell structure function, and sorry, it is this one right here. And basically, it's a drag drop. And some people did not realize that there was more than one day. They didn't go back each day. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we worked on these. You can see Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Some students only did this first slide here, and they didn't do the second slide, which is this one, which is the animal cells. So the plant cell is only one. Some of you did that. And then some of you just did one day of each and didn't think you have to go back and do the rest. So yes, you need to do all of these and resubmit it. And you should be able to resubmit it. And also to just clarification, this structure is not a vacuole right here. Even though it's there, I can take it out, but it's probably going to show back up. There is no vacuole in here. This is the centrioles, which you don't have to know. Okay? So those two assignments are from last week. So we'll go back and look at them one more time. Here and here, these two assignments you need to get done and submit them, and then I'll get them in the grade book. Then let's go on to week 21, which is this week. Some of you were very confused, and I can understand why. One of the reasons why you're probably confused is because I did not click on one of these right here, which will allow you to see the hard copy of the review. So all you have is the answer document, so that's confusing. So anyway, I have it available now in both classes, both my on-level and my advanced. So you click on this, and it looks like this. It says hard copy. Then you have to click on that, and then the review comes up. It looks like this. Okay? At one time, it had all the answers at the bottom, but anyway, it looks just like a test. And for all practical purposes, this is a very good example of what the test is going to look like. It's going to look very much like this. Is it exactly like it? No. But it is, you'll see the same drawing in here, same letters, everything. So you'll do that, and then where you'll put it will be well, let me go back to the module. Where you'll put it will be the test review right here. It says cell test review. This is the answer sheet basically. And I'll show you, it looks like this. Now, this is what I thought the students were having trouble with, was this right here, because it says no answer text provided, but it'll still work for you. I thought that was everybody's issue, but some of you had, well, all of you had the same problem. I did not share the test with you, or I didn't publish it. So here it is. If the answer is A, and it'll be changed next time, I'm not going through this again with explaining it to everybody. This is A, B, C, D. Now the first, I think like 9, it's like that. And then 10 it goes to ribosomes and you just answer them. So this is just an answer document. We've done this kind of thing before. BC means that it's a structure. You can only give it so many letters, right? So if it's BC, then it's not B and C, it's BC, which is maybe the nucleus. If it's BC, you'll find a B and a C inside of the nucleus. Anyway, you answer all these and then submit it to me. Okay? I apologize for the miscommunication, the lack of me placing it so that you could view it. So if you have any other questions, I will be glad to answer them. Most importantly, Monday through Thursday, if you ever have a question, like what happened today, if you go to, and it's important that you go to the assignment and start working on it during third period, because every day during third period, except for Friday, I'll have Zoom meeting. You can go to your Zoom meeting and it'll end up, you'll either be in my on level or my advanced Zoom meeting. And you can certainly ask any questions at that time, and actually I prefer that. So anyway, good luck with that, and get those, I guess it's 3 different assignments now, 2 from last week and 1 from this week. Oh, and the CFA. I did not mention the CFA. You're supposed to do the CFA as well today. So there you go. 4 grades, daily grades. Tomorrow, I will probably give you a quizzes as a grade as well. And then your test on Thursday. So anyway, get that done and see you soon.